Transcend makes finding and ordering the parts you need faster, easier, and more accurate. And now, Transcend makes it even more rewarding to order online. We're excited to introduce Transcend Rewards, a program where customers can earn points for purchasing on Transcend. Those points can be used to redeem incredible prizes: a vacation to Hawaii, Rolling Stones tickets, if that's your thing, family passes to Disney, and more. Think about it like this. You might be familiar with card points, where every time you swipe, you earn. What if you earn points every time you purchase the parts you need to order anyway? That could add up to serious prizes. Transcend Rewards is just one more reason to love Transcend. Getting started is easy. Visit the link below. If you're already a Transcend user, you'll be asked to activate your Transcend Rewards account. If you're not a Transcend user, you'll be asked to register for Transcend and then activate your rewards account. See you on Transcend Rewards or in Hawaii.